Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Linear for team roles and permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Linear website. Once the home page loads, find the login button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up option. Fill in the required information, which usually includes your email address and a password. After filling in the details, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Return to the Linear website and log in with your newly created account. Once logged in, access the workspace settings by clicking on your profile icon. In the settings menu, locate the team or members section. Here, you will find options to invite team members. To add a new member, click the Invite Member button. Enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Select the appropriate roles and permissions for the new team member. Permissions can typically include options like read, write, or admin. Review the selected permissions to ensure they match the person's responsibilities. Click the Send Invite button to dispatch the invitation. The invited member will receive an email with instructions to join the team. Once they accept the invitation, they will be added to your workspace. To adjust team roles, return to the Members section. Select the member whose permissions you want to change. Click the Edit button next to their name. Update their roles and permissions as needed. Confirm your changes by clicking on the Save button. Your team members should now have the correct roles and permissions set. Regularly review team permissions to ensure they align with any changes in responsibilities. Following these steps will help you effectively manage team roles and permissions in Linear. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.